Have you ever had a strange feeling about a person, a place, or a situation and ignored it? Everything looked normal. Nothing seemed wrong. But deep down, something kept whispering, "Be careful." Then days later, weeks later, or even months later, you realized your instinct was right all along. The scary thing is, your instinct often notices danger before your conscious mind does. And if you have these 5 signs, you should never ignore that feeling. Many people think instinct is some kind of magic, but psychology suggests something different. Your brain is constantly collecting information that you're not consciously aware of. Tiny facial expressions, subtle changes in tone, unusual behavior patterns. Your instinct is often your subconscious connecting those dots before your logical mind catches up. And these are 5 signs you should start trusting it more. Sign 1. Your first feeling is usually right. Do you ever meet someone and instantly feel comfortable around them? Or instantly uncomfortable before they've even done anything? People with strong instincts often pick up on emotional signals extremely quickly. They may not know why they feel a certain way, but their first impression turns out to be surprisingly accurate later. If you've noticed this pattern repeatedly in your life, pay attention to it. Sign 2. You notice things other people miss. You often catch small details others ignore. A strange tone, a forced smile, a suspicious inconsistency, a sudden shift in someone's behavior. While everyone else thinks everything is fine, something inside you notices that things don't quite add up. Strong instincts often begin with strong observation. Sign 3. You feel drained around certain people. Sometimes your instinct speaks through your energy. You spend time with someone, and afterward you feel exhausted, anxious, emotionally heavy, even though nothing dramatic happened. Your mind may not understand it, but your nervous system is reacting to something. Never ignore patterns like that. Sign 4. Your body reacts before your mind. Have you ever felt a knot in your stomach? Sudden tension? Unexplained anxiety? Restlessness? Around a particular person? Psychologists call this subconscious threat detection. Your brain processes far more information than you're aware of. Sometimes your body recognizes danger before your thoughts do. Sign 5. Your instinct keeps returning. This is perhaps the strongest sign of all. The feeling never goes away. You try to ignore it, you explain it away, you tell yourself you're overthinking. Yet the same warning keeps returning. Again and again and again. When your instinct consistently sends the same message, it's usually worth listening. But this doesn't mean your instinct is always perfect. But it does mean you shouldn't dismiss it automatically. Sometimes your instinct is fear, but other times it's wisdom gathered from thousands of observations you haven't consciously processed yet. So tell me, have you ever ignored your instinct and regretted it later? Comment below. My instinct was right. And if you enjoy psychology, human behavior, and the hidden signals people miss, subscribe for more videos. Because sometimes the most important warnings don't come from other people. They come from within.